Welcome back to our Makerspace series. We are currently in week 2 of our Makers Challenges using the Arduino board. So for week 2, what our goal is to have this blue dial control this little LED light. So as we turn the dial, it's going to adjust the rate of the blinking of the light as well as the brightness of the light. So for the initial challenge, ignore the red LED. That's for an extension activity. We are simply focusing on the yellow LED. So this yellow LED is hooked up to pin 13. And right now, the little dial is turned all the way to the right. The light is dim and it's just resting. So as we turn the dial, let's turn it up a little bit. The light's blinking very fast and it's really bright. As we continue to turn the dial, it slowly starts blinking slower and getting brighter. Keep adjusting, keeps getting slower and slower until the dial is all the way to the left, and now it's blinking very slow, but it's really bright. Now going back the other direction, the blinking starts picking up. Until we are back in our resting position where it's just dim and standing still. Okay, now time for the extension. So now we have 2 LEDs. Our code is running for the 2 LEDs. It's the same with the dial. So the dial is all the way on the right. Both LEDs are lit. They're dim and they're kind of in their resting position. They are not blinking. This LED is hooked up to pin 13 and this one is hooked up to pin 12. Now, as we adjust the dial, they both turn on, they're blinking. These guys are blinking at the same time, and as we adjust the dial, the blinking slows down until we are all the way to the left, and they're blinking pretty slow. Now, as we adjust the dial the opposite direction and go back to where we started, the blinking picks up until we are back at our resting point with both lights dim and sitting where they're at. Okay, it's time for another extension, and this is where we really had to change our code. So this extension still uses both LEDs. We have the yellow and the red. The yellow is hooked up to 13, the red is hooked up to 12. Same as the previous extension. But now what the light's gonna do, it's going to blink alternately. So while the light on the left is on, the one on the right's gonna be off, and they're gonna blink separately. So as we start the dial, they're blinking at separate times, starting off pretty fast. As you turn the dial, it slows down till it's pretty slow. And then as we turn the dial back up, the rate increases.